By December 2026, a great filter is coming for your career, your mind, and your sanity. Most people won't even see it until they are already locked out. The question is, are you the one being filtered out? Welcome to the year of the silent shift. Everyone is shouting about AI, about the metaverse, about crypto. They are looking up. But the real change, the one that determines if you become a millionaire or a memory, is happening inward. Psychologists call it cognitive sovereignty. In 2026, success isn't about what you add to your life, it's about what you delete. Today, I'm going to reveal the 3 invisible codes of 2026. These are unknown to the masses. Code number 2 might actually scare you, but if you don't install it, you're already obsolete. Let's break the first illusion. You think AI is coming to replace you. That's a lie designed to make you panic. The truth is stranger. In 2026, we enter the era of the centaur. In Greek mythology, a centaur was half man, half horse. In 2026, the successful human is half mind, half algorithm. The unknown secret here is agentic workflow. The failure of 2026 is the person who tries to work. The success of 2026 is the person who orchestrates. You must stop being the writer and start being the editor. Stop being the painter, start being the curator. Psychologically, this requires a massive shift in ego. You have to admit that your hard work is valuable, but your judgment is priceless. If you are still grinding for 12 hours a day in 2026, you haven't just failed productivity, you failed the evolution test. Now we enter the danger zone. This is why you feel tired. This is why you feel anxious. In 2026, your attention is the most expensive resource on Earth, and there is a war for it. Did you hear that? That is the sound of success in 2026. Silence. The second secret code is the analog hour. While the 99% are plugged into the matrix, feeding their dopamine addiction, the top 1% are disconnecting, not for peace, but for power. Neuroscience tells us that your best ideas, the million-dollar ideas, only come when your brain is in alpha wave state. That cannot happen when you are scrolling. In 2026, if you cannot sit in a room alone for 60 minutes without a screen, you are not free. You are a battery powering someone else's empire. For the last 10 years, you were told, build a personal brand, show everything, be an influencer. In 2026, that advice is a trap. We are seeing the rise of the ghost economy. The most successful people in 2026 are not the ones on the billboards. They are the dark horses. They build niche businesses. They solve specific painful problems for small groups of people. They make millions in silence. Psychologically, this is about internal locus of control. The influencer needs your likes to feel good. The ghost needs only their own results. In a world that is loud, the most mysterious and attractive thing you can be is private. Ask yourself, do you want to be famous or do you want to be free? 2026 is not just a year, it is a mirror. It will show you exactly who you are. Are you the pilot or the passenger? Are you the creator or the consumer? Are you the ghost or the noise? The great filter is closing. You have the codes now, but knowing them isn't enough. You have to install them. If this video woke something up inside you, if you felt that shiver of truth, then you are part of the 1%. Don't let the algorithm bury this. Like this video to signal to the system that you are awake. Subscribe to join the rebellion.